Environment oath. I realized that every mature tree by photosynthesis absorbs about 20 kgs of carbon dioxide every year. By the same process, each tree lets out about 14 kg of oxygen every year. I will plant and nurture 10 trees and will ensure my parents, my sisters and brothers plant trees and my neighbors also plant 10 trees each. I will be an ambassador for tree mission in my locality. I will keep my house and its surroundings clean and use products which are biodegradable to the extent possible. I will promote a culture of environment friendliness through recycling and conservation of water and other recyclable materials both at home and school. When I take a professional career, I will take decision with respect of organizational processes which protects the environment and preserves the biodiversity. I will encourage the use of renewable energy to the maximum extent possible. I will spread the awareness about the need to preserve the environment in my home, in my locality, and among my student friends. I will engage the water conservation, especially by rainwater harvesting, and spread the message in my family and friends. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.